In this video, let's talk about how to fix Google Workspace login error. So if you're having issues logging into your Google Workspace, the first thing that you can try out is try to test it on the Incognito window. So whether you're using a phone or on a laptop, you can simply head over to the Incognito window and try switching to your Incognito window and try to see if you can log in. If the issue still persists, the other thing that you can also try out is try to clear out the browser cache. So simply tap on the three dotted line again, head over to delete browsing data, head over to more options, make sure that cookies and site data is selected as well as cache images and files are selected, and you can simply tap on the delete data option. By doing this step, you might be logged out of your Google account, so you need to log in back and try to see if you can again now log into your Google Workspace. If the issue still persists, what you also need to ensure is that if your account has not been suspended. So if your account has been suspended, you should be able to see the option of suspended being displayed within the screen. So if this is the case for you, you must contact the internal IT help desk in order to solve this issue. Lastly, you'll also need to make sure that the device clock and time zone is correct. So you simply need to head over to these settings on your device. Make sure that you set your phone's or your computer's time and date and time settings so that the time and date automatically updates. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.